So you're a flood repair professional, huh? And you're looking for a reliable dehumidifier. I've got just the thing for you, the ALORAIR Dehumidifier. It's a game changer. This thing is a beast, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on it with you. It's a commercial dehumidifier designed to handle the toughest jobs, and it's built to last. The ALORAIR Dehumidifier is a powerful tool that's perfect for flood repair professionals like yourself. It's made to get the job done efficiently. Now let's break down the specs, shall we? It's got a PPD of 180, which is pretty impressive, and a CFM of 210. That's a lot of air being moved. The coverage area is 2,300 square feet, which is huge, and it comes with a 5-year warranty, so you're protected in case anything goes wrong. The drain hose is 19.6 feet long, which is super convenient, and it's just a well-designed machine. I mean, the designers really thought this through. They knew exactly what flood repair professionals like you would need in a dehumidifier. The PPD, or pounds per day, is a measure of how much moisture the dehumidifier can remove from the air in a 24-hour period, and 180 is a very high number, especially considering the size of the unit. I've seen this thing in action, and it's amazing. It can dry out a room in no time. It's perfect for flood repair professionals who need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The CFM, or cubic feet per minute, is a measure of how much air the dehumidifier can move, and 210 is a lot, especially considering the size of the unit. This means that the dehumidifier can move a lot of air and remove a lot of moisture, which is exactly what you need when you're dealing with a flood. And the coverage area, 2,300 square feet, is huge. You can use this thing to dry out entire houses or large commercial spaces. In real-world use, this thing is a workhorse. It can handle anything you throw at it. I've seen it used in flooded basements, crawl spaces, and even entire houses, and it's always performed flawlessly. The 5-year warranty is also a big plus. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. And the drain hose, 19.6 feet long, is super convenient. You can just set it up and let it run, without having to worry about emptying a tank or anything like that. It's just a great design, and it makes the whole process of drying out a space so much easier. Overall, I've got to give this thing a solid 9 out of 10. It's a great product that's definitely worth considering. It's powerful, efficient, and reliable. What more could you ask for? The only thing that keeps it from being a 10 out of 10 is the noise level. It's a bit loud, but that's to be expected from a commercial dehumidifier. But other than that, it's perfect. It's a great tool for any flood repair professional, and it's definitely worth the investment. So, if you're in the market for a new dehumidifier, be sure to check this one out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll be reviewing more products and sharing my thoughts on the latest and greatest in flood repair equipment, so be sure to stay tuned.